Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the December Global Stampin Video Hop, where we are highlighting some of the Bration products that will be available to you in January 2021. So I'm going to be using the Corner Bouquet stamp set. Let me set this aside and we'll get started. So I have my Stamparatus, and I've added one of the note cards from a note card and envelope to my Stamparatus and one of the Corner Bouquet stamps. And let me just slide this over a smidge. And I'm going to ink this in Coastal Cabana. And let's stamp this and see how I've done. And I'm going to do that one more time. Thought it might have been a problem since my ink pad was sliding around today as I was stamping. Okay, and then let's do that one more. Okay, I like that more vivid. So close up my ink and let's take my note card out of here. Now this could be great just as it is, but we're going to add a couple of more things to it. So one of my favorite products in the new mini catalog are the Gilded Leafing flakes, and we're going to use some of those today. I've got a piece of scrap paper, and the first thing I'm going to do to zhuzh up this card is to just stroke this edge with my Versamark ink pad. And I don't care whether it's an even line of ink. Just want little bits on there. And let's see. Looks like I didn't do very well at the top edge. So I'm just going to come back in and hit that one more time. And I'm sprinkling on my heat and stick powder. Okay, let's dump this back in over here. Okay, so we've got it back in. Let's put lids on things for a moment. We don't want to blow them around with the heat tool. And we're just going to heat our heat and stick powder. Let me get the gun nice and hot. And we're just going to heat it until it just melts. So not as long as you would for regular embossing powder. And then this remains sticky. Okay, so I've got a couple of cheap kids paint brushes here. This one's very stiff. You may have one like that at home anyway if you're like me and ever use glue with a paintbrush. And I'm just going to use that stiffer one to help me push this gilding flakes down onto that heat and stick. Okay, and we're just going to press this on. Let's take a couple more little, you could dump all of this out into a container and just dip the edge in and then press it on if you prefer that method. That might be a little messier for me. I love messy techniques, but I'm not sure that I want my gilding flakes everywhere. Okay, so it looks like I either overheated or did not hit this section with my Versamark. So I'm just going to come back in and rub the corner in there. I'm going to sprinkle it again with some of the heat and stick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got my edge covered, and then I'm just going to take the soft brush and brush off any loose bits. So let's take this aside and then move this out of the way. Put the lid on. So now we need to add our sentiment, and I'm going to be using the mini messages bundle from the mini catalog. And I have chosen the Be Strong, Be Brave, You've Got This sentiment, and I want to add a couple of dimensionals to the back of this. And then before I add it to my card, I want to use some of this pool party ribbon that's got this lovely shimmer in it. And we're just going to do a little loop if my fingers cooperate. And let's take the scissors and whack it off. Put this out of the way. Grab my mini glue dots and add a couple of those to the back of my ribbon. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to put this about here. I'm not pressing it down until I have a chance. That'll do it. And then we're just going to add this over top. And then you've got a quick and easy, pretty note card that the Corner Bouquet Celebration stamp set. Thanks for stopping by. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. And of course, if you're in the United States, you can purchase your products in my Stampin' Up store. Don't forget the other Global Stampin' video today. You can find a link in the description below. Have a great day. Bye.